And I am making another video today. Now this video is about construction work. If you would, I have to show you this quickly, but because I don't want to be outlined. But if you could clearly see, there's construction work up ahead. Now I don't think I can get close, but it is behind the Chaska's house, right there. Still construction. That's all I just had to show you. Like that was I think that's one of my favorite valleys because it has this little ramp I always play with, and I like ride my bike up above it, and it does like go over a ramp, and it's fun. That's all I had to say and show you. So guys, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, join the squad. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.